Turning your engine AJ496. Turning good, all compressions complete. The front engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. Compressor looks good, no damage. All nice. On this side, engines looks good. Altimeter look as well, as you can see. No damage. Socket looks good. All windows looks good. No damage, no water. Gearbox look as well, as you can see. No damage, no brakes. All nice, all good. And on this side, engines looks good. Starter look as well, as you can see. No damage, no broken. And on the top, all connectors looks good, and injectors looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. And on the bottom, as you can see, no cracks, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ496.